Good morning. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to fit the seat foam. It doesn't sound much, but it's a very important part of the build. This task is covering the seat and the beginning of the tank in a bit more detail. I want to bring the padding down over these areas, covering my handiwork and covering any exposed pot rivets or joints. I'll be happy if I end up with a seat pad that makes this a safer seat for a youngster to sit on while he's having fun on his race sim. So I've decided to employ some thin celluloid to cut a template. Again, forcing a two-dimensional sheet into a 3D object. Well, you'd have to start somewhere. Welcome back. So, celluloid, first attempt. We've learnt a lot. I won't be using it as a first thought for a template. First steps with the foam, mark out a centre line. bending and shaping. I'm actually going to pause the video now, cut and insert triangles of foam into these areas, and then sand this exposed curve and this curve to the point where it blends in. There's a lot of repetition, so I want to pause the video now and you can rejoin me when it's finished, and you can see if you can spot the joins. Hi, you rejoin me and we're looking at the almost finished seat pad. First thing we notice is you see these marks on the aluminium. That was where some of my glass paper scuffed it. So to totally finish it off, I'm going to have to go for a very fine wet and dry, and just be prepared to polish the aluminium and touch up any paintwork that I scuff. I brought you back to show you how fantastic this race foam is. Look at those contours. This could be feathered. I'm not sure how far to go with the feathering, because I don't want to create any stick-ups that will tempt young fingers to pick at it. Another point I'm keen to show is this is where the darts were, and this is the triangles of foam that have been inserted after. I'm confident I can blend them in even more. What a seat, eh? One padded race seat and tank. Thanks for joining me. Join me again soon, where I'll be making some more progress on the sim, as I've just had a new idea regarding how to make the bike lean and return back to vertical. See you soon.